Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So there were some issues with the OneUi 7 update that are now fixed with the OneUi 8 update. So today in this video we will talk about them. First of all, if you haven't already, so you can update your device to the latest OneUi 8 update by simply going into the settings of your device, and then you have to scroll all the way towards down and tap on software update. From here, tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see the new OneUi 8 update along with the September 1st, 2025 security patch. So there was an issue with the OneUi 7 update with the lock screen delay. Whenever you have to lock your device, it would show a 1 second delay. As you guys can see, this was the before. It was only fixed with the QHD Plus resolution, but now with the OneUi 8 update, it is fixed and it is working with the FHD Plus. As you guys can see, it is now instantly locking whenever I lock it, without showing any type of lag or delay, and it is on the FHD Plus resolution. As you guys can see in the display, the screen resolution was on FHD Plus. It works the same with the QHD Plus and the FHD Plus now. Previously it was only working with the QHD Plus, but that would drain more battery. If we talk about the battery, so the battery timing is improved on my device as well after the OneUi 8 update. My battery would last easily a day on a full charge, and it is without using the power saving mode. And if we talk about the screen resolution that I use for this battery timing, so I use the FHD Plus to get this 1 day battery time. Do let me know in the comment section that how long your phone battery lasts and which screen resolution are you using. Now let's move on to some new app updates that are available and that you guys might be missing out. For that, simply go into the Galaxy Store app, then tap on updates. From here you will get to see that there are multiple app updates available. Some updates like Samsung OneUi Home and Personal Data Intelligence, Samsung Find, and some other security updates are available. These might include some bug fixes, so if you were facing any bug or issue before, that will be now fixed with these updates. To update them all at once, simply tap on update all, or if you want to update a single app, you will have to tap on this icon. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new app updates and the issue that is now fixed with the OneUi 8 update. Do let me know in the comment section that is the issue fixed on your device or not. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.